Yo, what's going on, guys? Really two here. In this video, I will tell you guys how to get $100 in a day for free. So basically, real quick, please leave a like in this video because I helped you guys get free money, and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to get free money. So basically, go in my description, click the first link. It'll take you to App Store, Google Play Store, and it's this app called Dosh. So basically, we go on Dosh. After you sign up and everything, if you guys have a debit card, credit card, or anything, PayPal card, link that on that app, because once you link your first card, you'll get $5, and if you share the app with your friends and they do the same thing, you get $15. So that's pretty much it. That's how you get $100 in a day for free. So go down in my description, click the first link down below, go to the Dosh app, download it, and link your first debit card slash credit card, PayPal card today to get your free $5. Hurry now because you have 1 day left. I'll see you next video. Peace out.